Hi everyone. My name is Kishore Chakravadhanula. I am product manager for robotics, drones, and intelligent machines at Qualcomm. I'm here to talk to you about how 5G and AI is transforming the next generation of robotics. Robotics is at the cusp of transformation. There are more and more unique use cases that are coming up in logistics and warehouses, at factories, in consumer robotics, delivery robotics, as well as drones, including swarms of drones. And there are three fundamental pillars that are transforming this that are causing this transformation. They are heterogeneous compute, distributed intelligence, and 5G connectivity. So, what is heterogeneous compute? It is a paradigm which matches intelligently the right processing engine for the right task. And as you know, robotics has a breadth of technologies and requires a host of processing. So specialization is key. Each processing engine has its own strengths. For example, the CPU is best suited for sequential control, while low power real time applications are better processed on a DSP. Similarly, processing of streaming and parallel data is best processed on GPUs, while ultra fast AI inferencing is better done on neural processing units or dedicated AI engines. Likewise, a hardware accelerator or a computer vision processor does computer vision capable processing much more efficiently.